Tristan. Tristan. Welcome to Wittles World. Wittles World! Wittles World!
What are you doing?
I'm getting some strawberries.
Someone good?
Yeah. Come on. Get out of here! We are doing a science experiment. I'm putting this in the soda.
All right. Here you go.
No, here.